Hello, and welcome to this short presentation on postgraduate degree apprenticeships with the University of Portsmouth. You may be curious as to exactly what a degree apprenticeship is. Well, first and foremost, you are employed and paid a salary throughout the duration of your study, either at level 6 or at level 7 postgraduate. You gain 20% of your working time towards studying for your qualification, and you enjoy the same rights as other employees, namely holiday pay, sick pay, even pension contributions. You also gain great support from your training provider, with the University of Portsmouth supporting you at every step of the way. And you can choose a programme, either a top-up at 1 year or even 6 years, depending on the area of study. Apprenticeships usually run a variety of levels. In a college or further education provider, you start at level 2 or perhaps level 3, increasing to a higher apprenticeship. The University of Portsmouth offer degree apprenticeships only at level 6 and level 7. Some of the programmes we offer include chartered surveying, embedded electronics, civil engineering, chartered management, project management, architectural assistant, biomedical science and manufacturing. These programmes are all at level 6, but could be utilised if you're looking to change direction within your field of study. Our level 7 master's qualifications include risk and safety, academic professional, MBA senior leadership, MPA senior leadership geared more towards public administration, NHS trusts and local authorities, MSc educational leadership for those looking to work in educational settings, the Part 2 and Part 3 Masters within Architecture, and the Level 7 Postgraduate Engineer. Teaching and assessment on degree apprenticeships varies, but in essence the same as your previous qualification. A mixture of blended learning, both online and face-to-face, teaching by professionals and academics much as you've experienced throughout your previous academic study. Your assessments, more importantly, will include work-based learning and work-related assignments, which will demonstrate a real impact on your workplace. And throughout your degree, we'll offer you support to prepare you for the all-important endpoint assessment, which is the final aspect of your degree apprenticeship. You will also have access to high study support throughout your programme, and will even provide opportunities for self-managed reflective learning groups to support your assessment. The key differences between degree apprenticeships and a conventional degree, well, first and foremost is funding. Funding from degree apprenticeships comes solely from the employer, either through their apprenticeship levy or a 5% contribution to course fees, with the remainder being funded for you from the government. We have various entry points, namely September, January and sometimes April, depending on the programme of study. The requirements usually require a previous qualification such as a degree, an HND or foundation degree, but you need GCSEs English and Maths at C and above or an equivalent. Our programmes are often quite flexible, allowing you to attend campus as and when required, but sometimes studying qualifications through distance learning. And the big difference is you're in a workplace, gaining lots of experience, knowledge, skills and behaviours, and progressing your professional development. So if you're interested in a degree apprenticeship, what are the next steps? Well, if you're currently employed in a suitable position, speak to your line manager. If you get support, you can contact the Degree Apprenticeship Office on 02392 84 3865 or email degree-apprenticeship-office@port.ac.uk. If you're currently unemployed, perhaps you just finished study or working in an alternative position, you can go to the government website gov.uk and search for Find an Apprenticeship. You can also contact local employers to see whether they have any vacancies or whether they would support you in further study through a degree apprenticeship. When applying for any role, be it a degree apprenticeship or a full-time job, we have support for you here at the University of Portsmouth. If you contact our Careers and Employability Service, we can offer a CV and cover letter support, as well as lots of different other aspects to help you on your way to employment. you can email them careers@port.ac.uk or call them on 023 9284 2684. This is the end of this presentation. We wish you well in your further study with the University of Portsmouth.